So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. So Uber actually now has this new way for you to get a car. So if you don't have a car for Uber, if you have a really nice car, you don't want to put miles on it. What is this one called, Izzy?
Quinto.
Quinto. So what does it say?
So you can drive their cars and earn with Uber.
So you don't have to, use your own car. Or if you don't have a car, or like you, Izzy, you got a lease, right? Do you have a mileage limit on your car?
Yeah.
So this might something you might be interested in if you really want to drive Uber.
Yeah.
Because look at this. You can get a car hourly it only costs $10 an hour.
Only.
So if you drive 8 hours a day, you only got to pay $80. And let's say you made $500 doing Uber. I mean, that's kind of a lot. It's kind of a stretch, but maybe you make $200 doing Uber. You get to profit $120. You still got to pay gas though.
$260 a week. Well, okay, it costs $70 more per week to drive a Tesla, like rent a Tesla for Uber.
Yeah, so this is a much cheaper option. This is actually pretty cheap compared to most, like $260 a week. That's around $1,000 a month. I don't know.
I never think it's worth renting a car to do rideshare, like in any circumstance.
Maybe if you here's an idea. I'm gonna run past you, Izzy. Let's say you don't have a car. And let's say you just moved to a new city and you just got a job and you need a car to get to your job. What if you go sign up for Uber, do Quinto, and do 1 day a week Uber? You pay off the $260 in a day, and then you just have a car. What do you think about that?
I'd rather just finance a car that I can end up owning later.
But this one's technically free because you just had to drive Uber 1 day a week.
Yeah, but you could also, depending on your monthly payments for the car that you're financing, you could still do the same thing. Drive Uber 1 day a week and then put all that money towards the car.
But in this scenario, you don't need to buy a car, and you don't need to eat up the maintenance in the car. Like, the car's maintained for you.
That's true.
And let's say you're only moving to a city for 6 months. You're traveling. Maybe it's a summer job. There's certain scenarios where this could make sense for somebody for a short-term period.
Yeah.
Long term, no, I don't think it's a good idea at all. Yeah, I think buying a car is probably a better idea. Buying a used car, though, don't go out and buy a freaking new car. Never a good idea.
Yeah.
Always buy used. Buy a car at least with 80,000 miles, well, 50,000 miles on it. It's already depreciated a lot in value, so you get a better deal. Because if you buy a brand new car, you lose like $7,000 right when you drive off the lot.
Yeah.
Buying a new car is not a great investment. I don't know. The cars just go down in value so much. I don't know.
That's just my opinion, but, you know, obviously I'm not controlling you guys. Do whatever you want.
And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is gonna help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti and they're gonna help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.